guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making these simple cheesy ham and egg cups. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's cook. So guys, here I am greasing my muffin tins. Now you guys can use oil or even a pan spray. I'm using oil. Now I'm lining the muffin tins with ham. Now guys, I'm breaking an egg in each cup. If you guys want, I actually didn't do it, but if you'd like, you can go ahead and add salt and pepper or even garlic or onion powder. Now guys, I'm topping it off with sharp cheddar. If you guys are a fan of cheddar, just go ahead and add your cheese, guys. Another optional ingredient. If you're ever thinking of getting real creative in the kitchen, this is just one of those simple ingredients that you guys can really try. Now I'm topping that off with some scallion just to give it color, you know. Now I'm gonna be baking these for about 10 to 12 minutes at a temperature at 350 degrees. And here you have it, guys. Oh my goodness, these were so good, no lie, so delicious. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys so much for stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.